Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to create a Linux EC2 instance in AWS and connect it using PuTTY from Windows Server. This is a very important real-time lab for AWS beginners and interview preparation as well. So let's get started. So I have logged into my free tier AWS account. So I'm using Mumbai region to deploy the Linux EC2 instance. So if you want to create EC2 instance in AWS, you have to go for EC2. We need to search for service called EC2 Elastic Compute Cloud, which is used to create and manage virtual servers in AWS. So click on instances. So I can see launch instance on right side of the screen. So we need to provide the name for the Linux server. So I have given Linux server. So now the next option goes to operating system. We have to select which operating system we need to create Linux server. So I'm using Amazon Linux, okay, and which is also called Amazon Mission Image. It contains operating system called Amazon Linux now. So instance type, which contains configurations to launch EC2 instance, we call it as CPUs and RAM configurations. So I'm going with free tier eligible instance type, which comes with 2 CPU and 1 GB RAM. So key pair, it can be used to securely connect to your EC2 instance. So you can use the existing key pair or you can create a new key pair as per the requirement. So I will create a new key pair. I will give Linux key pair. So PEM is used to connect Windows EC2 instances and also we can convert PEM into PPK as well. So for now, I will use PPK format to create this key pair. Click on create key pair. So the key pair has been downloaded. Okay. So next goes to network settings. So click on edit. So I have default VPC, which is created by AWS. So I will go with availability zone AP South 1A. Okay. We can also call subnets. So I'm using public IP to connect this EC2 instance over the internet. So I'm creating a security group to allow port number 22 to connect this server over the internet. So this is the root volume which contains operating systems for now. Okay. So let me click on launch instance. So now we have created a Linux EC2 instance with Linux operating system. So now we wait for instance state to become running. So I will refresh this one. So now the Linux server is being booted. So meanwhile, we need a PuTTY to connect this Linux server. So I have already downloaded the PuTTY exe file here. Let me double click and open this PuTTY. So it is asking for host name or IP address. So in my case, we need to give the public IP of the server to connect. So paste the public IP and port number 22 we have opened in the security group. So if you want to verify, click on the security. Here you can see the security group that opened 22 in the inbound rules and from anywhere. Anybody can connect this server by using port number 22 from any IP address. So I have given the public IP. So click on this SSH and you use this authentication tab. Click on credentials and we need to browse the private key which we have downloaded earlier. This is a private key. Select and click on open. After selecting this private key, again you need to click on open. So now the connection has been established to Linux server. Now you click on this accept. So the default username for the Linux server, okay, you have to find out. So click on this connect. So if you see here, the username for this Linux server, EC2 minus user. So type EC2 minus user, enter. So by this way, we have successfully logged into Linux EC2 instance by using the PuTTY. Okay. So now you can see df space. Okay, I will log into root sudo space minus I. So I'm in the root mode now. So if you see df space minus h, which will list the available space and used space for the root volume for now. Okay. So so in this way, if you found this video is helpful, please like, subscribe to this channel and share with your friends as well if who is looking to train on AWS. In next video, we'll see about other services how we use in the real time. Okay, thank you. Uh, Please subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you.